guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian and I'm so excited for today's video because we're doing a what I eat in a day video. I'm going to show you guys, take you through my day and show you exactly in a short format what I eat as a 5-year raw vegan. This video is a little special as well because I have been intermittent fasting for close to 7 days, and you guys, I feel absolutely incredible. I feel better than I've felt probably since I first transitioned to the raw vegan diet. Stay tuned for my next video next week because that will be in-depth details all about the intermittent fasting. So make sure you subscribe if you don't already. Before we get started, I just want to tell you guys I am also doing a little giveaway as well in this video. I actually ordered a few extra shirts on Etsy. So these aren't my design, they're someone else's, but I have too many, and they are all smalls and mediums, and they are this color or blue, and also a crew neck as well. If you're interested in that, then comment down below if you want one, and I will pick some people at random, and just so you guys know, they're a pretty small fit. Let's get right into it, and something that's very important to me as a raw vegan is my supplements. So I do take these every single day, and what I love about these ones, I've been consuming these ones for about a year now, and these are an all-in-one. So that's what I love so much because I feel like there's so many things you have to make sure that you get on the raw vegan diet. It's not only B12, you have to make sure you're getting the correct amounts of iodine, zinc, magnesium, DHA, EPA, K, so many things. So these are great. They're an all-in-one. I absolutely love them. And I approached this company and they gave me a special code for people who want to purchase these, Save with Gillian. So I will link that all down below if you guys are interested in these as well. And I do think if you're doing the vegan or raw vegan lifestyle long term, just the least you can do is check your blood work, even if you're feeling great, and just see if there's anything missing. And I just got to say, like, I feel like I barely need any sleep intermittent fasting. My daughter wakes me up a lot through the night, so I don't sleep great. So that's one of the main reasons I started doing this. And even if I have an interrupted sleep and barely sleep, I wake up and I am so awake. I am double the productive level, and it's just amazing. What I've been starting my day with is some freshly squeezed orange juice. It's so good. And I want to tell you guys too, I get asked so many times, can you please tell me the calories that you intake each day? So in this video, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how many calories this day is, and I think you're going to be really, really shocked. So I'm excited to share that, so make sure you stick around to the end as well. I squeeze this by hand just because I prefer the handheld juicers. It's amazing. You can get them at the dollar store, and it is worth the 5 minutes it takes to make this because this makes me feel so electric and amazing in the morning. I love it. And this is a fun fact. I learned this while intermittent fasting, that the body is so much better at regulating your blood sugars in the morning than it is in the evening. So get your fruits, get things that are higher in sugar in the morning, and you feel amazing, and I love it. This is working for me. After this, I usually drink this around 8 a.m., between 8 and 9 a.m. Next, after the orange juice, usually around somewhere between 9 and 10 a.m. when I get hungry next, I have been having a green juice. This juicer is not the best juicer, but it's the fastest and easiest to clean that I have right now. So that's what I've been using. But there are better, slower press juicers as well. So I will link one down below that I think is great. And I will also link this one because even though it's not the best, it works great. And it's just, I have a fast-paced lifestyle, so it works great for me. This is a simple juice. This is one of my favorite juices. So it's celery, cucumber, zucchini, romaine, a little bit of parsley, which just adds some great flavor, and some lemon as well. Here's my green juice, which I enjoy next after the orange juice, and it's so electric, makes me feel so good. And that's when I get a lot of things done in the morning. So I feel like when I have fruits and green juices and things like that, it just makes me next level productive, and I feel amazing, and I attract amazing things, and I create amazing things. After this, I drink this somewhere between 9 and 10 a.m. When I get hungry next, and between, I guess, 10 and 12 p.m. lately, I snack on some fruit, just some simple, easy fruit. The fruit I've usually been having in that time is usually about 3 bananas, 2 Honeycrisp apples. So these foods are just simple, they make you feel so good, and they're great at feeding your good gut bacteria. Again, I'm also excited to show you guys the calories at the end. It was interesting to me, I never count calories, but people ask me all the time, so I've started, and I realized when I put this into the tracker, this is actually, I think it was 483 calories, this orange juice that I have in the morning. So, I mean, that does give me a lot of energy and make me feel great. And I think this was 2 or 3 something. I have it written down, but I'll show you guys everything at the end. After I have the simple fruits, a little bit after that, I've usually been working out between 12 and 1 p.m. and it just makes me feel amazing. I think it's important to be active. And if you guys want to see a workout routine video, then comment down below. I'd be happy to create one of those for you guys as well. After my workout at about 1 o'clock, I come back, I have a shower, and then I get ready for my big meal. So right now on this intermittent fasting, I'm eating one large meal in the day, and it's amazing, and it's actually really high in calories, but really delicious. And I really fill up on that. So I will go get that ready and show you guys what I make. This is my main meal, which I'm really excited about. I've been in love with this lately. It's just so creamy, satisfying, and delicious. The raw vegan diet is not boring, you guys. And I've made this before on my channel, and I absolutely love it. So this is actually a fully raw Christina recipe. So I will link her full recipe down below. But it is a raw vegan Caesar salad, and you guys are gonna be shocked. I do actually make the dressing a little bit thicker and a little bit more in it. The calories, I believe, on mine are a bit more, and I do put more greens, I think, in. I'm not too sure. The calorie calculator of the measurements that I use show this salad coming in at 1,296 calories, which I know is pretty high, but this is really working for me on the intermittent fasting, building up a big appetite in the gym, and then coming back and eating my large meal in the early afternoon. It's just, I feel incredible, and I know a lot of the longest living populations in the world, some of them focus on eating the majority of their calories in the morning and into the early afternoon, and then they intermittent fast as well until the next day. And it is proven to have a longer lifespan, you have longer longevity and anti-aging, so many benefits. So anyway, I'll save it all for the next video. But let's get into this delicious salad. So I base it with some romaine and some kale, and then it's a creamy, simple dressing in the blender as well. And again, I'll link Christina's full recipe down below. Okay, so here's the beautiful raw vegan Caesar. This is like hands down my favorite raw vegan recipe and dish, and it has been for a couple years now. And this is so high in proteins and omegas and so many things, and it has in the nutritional yeast that's in there, it has some B12 and additional nutrients that are important for us raw vegans as well. So I usually eat that sometime between 1:30 and 2, around there. And then when it gets close to 3 o'clock, just before 3, I want something that's gonna satisfy me and really keep me full to stick to the intermittent fasting, which is really working. So what I've been having to end off the day is just a couple of dates. These are my favorite. These are the best dates I've literally had my whole life. So I'm not too big on eating too much dried or dehydrated food in your diet because it lacks the water content, and it just simply doesn't make you feel as good because it's a bit harder to digest. But it's really working for me to end the day with a couple of the dates, and it's just so satisfying. And because I'm intermittent fasting and going hours and hours then until the next day without eating, they're digesting fine, and it's working great. So for the calorie intake, the total calories, I know a lot of people say like you don't get enough calories on the raw vegan diet. Well, I absolutely do. I totaled exactly on track with every single thing I ate, because this is what I've been eating for the last week or so. And the calories were around 2,700. So I'm definitely getting enough calories, probably a little bit too many calories, but it's just been helping having the dates to satisfy me and the larger salad after the workout and stuff. But yeah, that's where I'm at, 2,700. And so that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you don't already. I create great content every single week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.